The journey from long rolling products to flat rolling has been nothing short of a miracle. Slabcaster in itself was a dream for the entire steel ecosystem. I think Concast is the one who enabled it. The journey does not only start with buying one piece of equipment. I think it starts with the fundamental trust that SRJ and Concast has built over decades. So it all starts 53 years ago in 1971. My grandfather, who's also known as the pioneer of steel manufacturing via induction furnace route, he brought this technology, and incidentally, Concast is the one partner who we worked with to bring his dream to life. To go from there to actually investing in a slabcaster is a long route that has transformed lives, transformed cities, shaped the entire economy, and put us into a situation where these things are now a possibility. So when we look at why we did this, it is not to either save costs, or that is not part of the vision. It is essentially to enable a larger domain of thought. It is essentially to elevate the entire experience of what steel manufacturing holds for us. That is why Concast is the best fit for any such companies who holds these values. A player like that of SRJ, a homegrown brand, somebody born and brought up in a tier 4 city like Jalna, could think about making precision steel, could think about making the best quality steel in the world. And oftentimes what we accredit our entire process to is not only the best product that we want to make, but for that we require the best people, the best skill set, the best technology, the best products, and the best of minds coming together. And I think this is where Concast essentially was a catalyst, was an aggregator to bring all of this together and just enable our possibility. So we as people from Jalna are inherently risk takers, inherently innovators. I think Concast just gives us the wings to fly. At every difficulty, Concast and SRJ stood together, solved major breakthroughs, brought major technological developments in the industry, and I think that happened because of what Concast proved to be a thought leader in the industry. Given its R&D, given its equipment quality, given its just visionary ecosystem that it in itself built. That is how Concast was an obvious choice. I think the combination of the minds, the spirit of collaboration, and the technical expertise which the entire team held is commendable, is something that actually enables us to dream. In itself, Slabcaster was a tremendous breakthrough because this never happened in the country. We are the first people who have done that, especially with the help of Concast, and I think SRJ takes deep pride in it. Overall experience working with Concast has been nothing short of, amazing. The kind of ecosystem we got to interact with, the engineers that Concast provides, the on-site support that Concast provides, and the trust that Concast has built into the entire steel ecosystem is something that is more valuable than the Slabcaster that we bought from them. June 11th is when we started our Slabcaster first, and I think you should have been there to see that side, because out of everyone, the Concast team and SRJ team were absolutely certain that the first time it gets started, it will produce high quality steel. And that is exactly what happened. I remember I was here at 5:30 a.m. in the morning taking the first heat, and it was like everybody was very anxious, what will happen and what not, and everybody was excited to see the result of it. But I think it is the teamwork that Concast and SRJ did over the previous 6 to 8 months that the result was almost certain. It was nothing short of magical, and in the first go everything went smoothly. So if you were here, if you were lucky enough to be a part of that moment here, from here till entire area in the entire city of Jalna, everybody was just talking about how there was a breakthrough in steel industry, how this is start of something new, how this has never been done before, and this is the world was watching. All the eyes were on Concast and SRJ. I think that collaboration is something that will definitely prove to be a turning point in the history. The only vision that we have for this group is to create the best possible quality of steel, the best roots of manufacturing, and essentially empower the entire economy, entire society while doing that. So let us celebrate this achievement today. This achievement is something that will echo across the industry and will propel India to be a global leader. I am very happy and proud that I work for SRJ. I'm immensely grateful for it, and I would love to thank Concast for giving us the wings for it. Thank you very much.